that's beside the point. But anyways, yeah, so really I just wanted to make this kind of video just to pretty much say that I'm in full support of this Wolfie chick, and definitely, you know, doing that. Yeah, so the crazy fox lady is willing to defend a wolf. Believe it or not. See here? This awesome shirt. Yeah, it's one of my favorites too. Just to prove I love other animals besides foxes. And this is my cubie. Mine. Anyways, yeah. So, oh yeah, by the way, this cubie was given to me by one of my, friends who is also sort of a wolf herself, so that's another way to prove it. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for right now, so yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, definitely let me know, and definitely let anybody else know who is also, you know, on Wolfie's side. So yeah, alright, well, sayonara.